Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove packet loss in Dota 2 on your PC. Let's get started. Packet loss happens when data from your PC to the game server doesn't arrive properly. Signs include hero teleporting randomly, skills not registering, sudden ping spikes. Fixing packet loss makes the game smooth and responsive. Most packet loss come from your internet. To fix it, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. Close background app that uses the internet, Discord, streaming, downloads or browsers. Restart your router to refresh the connection. Check your ping in Dota 2. A stable connection reduces packet loss drastically. If packet loss continues, use a VPN closer to your game server. Contact your internet service provider if your connection is unstable, or play on server with lower ping to reduce packet loss changes. But most issues are solved by combination of this step, and that's it. By checking your internet, picking the right server, you can remove packet loss and enjoy smooth games. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.